So guys, dito tayo sa Bridgetown Park. What do you call this? Bridgetown Obstacle Park. Okay. So bago to kakaiba to, no? Hindi natin masyadong napapansin sa mga ano natin, no? But anyway, ang purpose itong park na to is tinetrain nila, no? Right here, puro beginner yung una nating bibidyohan. And they are on their physical training right now. So ang ginagawa nila is to para ma-develop nila yung strength, para makayanan nila yung mga obstacle na kanilang tatahakin. Alright. So ito, total nandito na ako sa harap, no? You can take a look at this. Yan. Alright. So ito yung mga nakikita nating net, no? So apparently mag-uunahan sila at lulusot sila dito sa net. Yan, ito sa net na to. Okay. Pasok sila dyan. Unahan sila hanggang sa kabilang side. So that should be strenuous. Okay, so in the meantime, ito, babalance pa sila rito. Wow, medyo delikads. Pag dumulas ka rito, masakit. You can imagine. Oh, okay. It's foam and rubber, but just the same, if you fall on the bad side, it's gonna be very painful. Extremely painful, I'm sure. Okay, so take a look at the guys. Muna. Okay. Kasi obstacle race yan eh. And ito yung introduction nila sa introduction nila to sa game. Alright? You have to be physically fit, and I can imagine, no? Kung hindi mo yung ginagawa and you're gonna do this for the first time, I think after this training, hindi ka nasasali. I know, kasi ginagawa ko yan, and it's difficult. Ang hirap mag-pull-ups. It's only for the young, I'm sure. Alright, eto may mga ring balance dito. So, pero medyo mababa. O baka naman pang ano lang to, pang training lang. So, ito finiture natin eh. Actually, this is not the game itself, no? This is the training preparation. Siguro kaya medyo mabababa siya, oh. And look at this wall. Wow. Flat. Liliparin mo yan, and then mag-ano ka. And then you're gonna jump overboard. And kung paano ka babagsak, God knows how. Basta siguro aasahan mo lang babagsak ka rito sa foam. Alright, so actually hindi naman bago sa akin tong bagay na to. Yeah, I've been doing part of it, not as a whole, no? The game itself as a whole, but part of it I do it in training on my back, you know. Military training, martial arts training, and all that. They have one of each somehow. And yan. So ito mababa, ano na. Hindi natin alam pa yung mechanics eh, kaya hindi natin masyadong mausiyos, no? Okay. So look at that. Umalis na sila rito, ha. Ando naman. Yan.